To use ECG and BP function on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2, you have to go to SHM app. That means Samsung Health Monitor app. Here it is, Samsung Health Monitor app is available and pre-installed on your Galaxy Watch. So just open it. Here in this app, you will get both options, blood pressure and ECG functions. Now just tap on it. Just tap on anyone and it will ask you to download SHM app on your paired smartphone. That means Samsung Health Monitor app should be downloaded and installed on your Samsung smartphone. Now just click on it and it will start downloading. Now download SHM app on your smartphone and give all the permissions. Activate BP, ECG, irregular heart rhythm and other options. Or just simply select all. And after that you have to give personal information. Your name, your gender, your birth and other information. And after that it will ask you for permissions. Just give all the permissions and agree to their terms and you are ready to go. After that, to use blood pressure, you have to calibrate it with the medical equipment. So we will see it later. But for now, to set up ECG, you have to again tap on some settings. When everything is set up, you are ready to measure your ECG on Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. So give all the permissions. Now after that, to measure ECG or blood pressure, you have to wear your smartwatch on your wrist. Wear it tightly. Here, like this. And after that, open SHM app. Just scroll down and you will see SHM app. Now just open it. And now click on ECG. When you click on ECG, then it will guide you how to measure your ECG. Just tap on OK and put your finger on home button or power button. Just put your finger and don't move for 30 seconds. Now put your finger on home button and don't move. After 30 seconds, it will measure your ECG and it will give a final score. So wait and don't move your hand. Stay still so it could measure your ECG accurately. 8 seconds remaining, 6 seconds. And now you can see it has measured my ECG. So here you can see my results. And to see results and other information, you have to go to your smartphone app, open SHM, and in a SHM app, you will see your final score in ECG sections. Also note that this app will not work on non-Android smartphones and as well as non-Samsung smartphones. To measure your ECG or BP, you should download and install SHM app on your Samsung smartphone and only then it will work. I guess you understand. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.